Well, hello everyone. This is an update, and I'm coming to you from Fairbanks Memorial Hospital. 3 days ago, I had a massive heart attack. It took about 7 hours to get me from the cabin into the cath lab here. The problem has been taken care of. There's other issues that will have to be addressed at some point, but right now I'm alive and feeling quite well, and I am ready to go home. Well, updating you, I have been discharged from the hospital, and I'm with Dylan right now. We're out getting a few little odds and ends done. Currently, we're at his storage unit picking up some gas cans. Then we're going to get a few other items and head back to his house. Well, as I said earlier, Dylan picked me up at FMH, and we're now on our way to Manly Hot Springs, Alaska. But at the moment, he is eating a hilltop breakfast burrito, which I am assuming tastes really, really good. And then we're going to be on our way. Well, this is one of those things about this road during this time of the year. It's the rainy season and a lot of construction going on and some very long waits for a pilot car. About 65 miles north of Fairbanks, and massive construction delays. We're approaching Live and Good right now. Well, we're at the boat launch here in Manly Hot Springs, and there's deep, deep mud everywhere.
My zipper's broke. It broke the last trip down to Valdez this year, so otherwise it'd be a lot warmer.
Well, the same guys who saved my life on Saturday are the same guys that have graciously consented to give me a ride home. And in this boat, that only takes about 20 minutes. It's somewhat fast.